when things aren't going your way. A journey to inner awareness. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where everything you want seems to be slipping through your fingers? No matter how hard you try, things just don't seem to go your way. The good news is this might not be a coincidence. It might be exactly what you need for personal growth and spiritual awakening. When things don't go the way you expect, it's a sign that your higher self is trying to direct your attention inward. Sometimes, the universe or your higher self creates situations where things feel stuck or blocked. But these situations are not punishments. They're invitations to reflect and explore something much deeper within you. Think about it. When was the last time you truly questioned who you are? Not just on the surface, but deep down. Have you ever stopped to ask yourself, what is the true nature of my existence? What does it really mean to live? These are the questions that, when posed from a place of deep introspection, start to open up pathways to higher awareness. However, there's a catch. You must resist the urge to find answers with your mind alone. We are conditioned to think that answers must be logical, intellectual, and concrete. But the answers you're seeking are not found through mental gymnastics. They are found through awareness and the act of questioning itself. When you ask deep, meaningful questions, who am I? Why am I here? What is the purpose of my life? The key isn't in getting the immediate answer. It's in the process of asking. This continual questioning is the true path to spiritual awakening. It's an act of actively engaging with your inner self. With every question you ask, you align yourself more with your higher self. You are making a conscious decision to elevate your awareness. At first, it might feel like you're getting nowhere. You might even feel frustrated as your desires remain unfulfilled. But this is where the real magic happens. The very moment you stop seeking external answers and focus inwardly, you will begin to notice changes. Subtle shifts occur within, and eventually, your life starts to reflect these changes. If you're struggling right now with something you desire, it's not a sign of failure. It's simply the universe's way of directing you to focus more on yourself. The things that aren't going as planned are not random. They are opportunities to turn your focus inward, to question, to reflect, and to grow. Your higher self is not punishing you. It's helping you reconnect with your true self. Through this process, you start to realize that the world around you is not the source of your happiness or success. The source is within you. And as you continue to seek deeper questions, you will begin to uncover a sense of peace and understanding that transcends external circumstances. So, next time things aren't going as you expected, instead of getting upset, pause and ask yourself, what is the situation trying to teach me? What is my higher self trying to show me through this experience? Through this practice, you'll eventually learn that the real secret to success is not in obtaining what you desire, but in awakening to the truth within yourself. It might take time, but remember, the more you focus inward, the closer you get to your true self. And that, my friends, is where the real answers lie.